Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Charles Fort Lauderdale Garden. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Marva, and I hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be using a few ingredients from the garden to make ice cream, maybe sorbet. So, yeah, come with me to the kitchen. Let's go whip up something. Ladies and gentlemen, these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my homemade ice cream. Of course, a papaya, a piece of this mango, nutmeg, I'm going to grate her. This is soursop, strawberries, honey, vanilla, and some almond milk. All right, so I'm going to cut these fruits up into small pieces, and to make it go faster before I put it into the ice cream maker, I'm going to blend them up into this blender first. Okay, so now I'm going to cut up these fruits, and I will come back to you once that's finished. Okay, the fruits are all chopped up. Now I'm going to grate a piece of this nutmeg. Okay, now for some, well, I put the vanilla once it goes into the blender. Let's get some honey. Okay, that's enough. Okay, I'm going to put it now into the blender. Of course, I'm going to add some of the milk to it. And now for the vanilla. It's about a tablespoon. Okay, let's put the cover on and start. That should be enough. All right, let's get this ice cream maker. It's an ice cream and a yogurt maker. Get it ready. So the freezer bowl must come in here. And this bowl, let me show you what it looks like. This bowl has been in the freezer for at least 24 hours. But on the inside, there's a liquid, it's liquid within a double insulated wall. And it creates fast freezing. There you go. Now all I have to do now is pour the liquid in there and then turn it on. Let me make sure it's plugged in. Now I'll put the top on. And I pour the liquid inside. You can see what it looks like on the this is what it looks like. Time to start. Let's turn it on. It should take about 20 to 25 minutes. After 10 minutes, it is now thickening. Looking like sorbet. I'm adding flaxseed to make it even thicker. Let's see what it looks like after 15 minutes. There it is. On its way. It's getting thicker and thicker. And you can make it as thick as you want. This looks delicious already. Well, folks, here it is after 25 minutes. And I think this is just where I'm going to end it. And I'll show you what it looks like. There it is. Now for the taste test. It feels good. This is mango, papaya, strawberry. Mm-hmm. Mmm. Yeah. Delicious. Mmm. All right. I'm going to put the rest in this container to be frozen. Tastes very fruity.
Need a bigger spoon.
And this will keep it frozen in the freezer. There are 4 of these came with the machine. And they all have different color tops. This one is green. Ladies and gentlemen, I thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your time, your support. And please remember to leave a thumbs up. And if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and do so. So I'll see you next time, somewhere either in the kitchen or in the Charles Fort Lauderdale garden.